Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Ed. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add story highlights on Facebook. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening, you can see the option that is create story at the top left side of the screen. Just simply put a story on your Facebook, and after putting a story, you can hold on the create story bar and you can now tap on story archive. After going it, make sure if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use and makes our browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. Now continue the video. You can select the story here that you want to put in a highlight on Facebook. I can select this story. After selecting the story, you can see the feature option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it. After tapping on it, you can just simply name this highlight. And after this, you can add more stories in this highlight. And now you can tap on done. And it is the way you can add highlight on Facebook. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.